Hello everybody, how are you? This is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another ASL Create and Relate. So good to be back. I had to take a few days off, but you all didn't know it, so I'm here. Nothing's wrong. I was just in a cleaning mode. I got some things changed around in my room. I feel really good. I'm a little sore, but other than that, I'm fine. So, how did everybody do on the quiz? I got some good feedback from a lot of you. Some saying, they did great. Some saying not so great. There is no pass or fail. Okay? I decided to do shorter videos so that at any time if you want to go back and freshen up, you can. You can go back to specific videos and learn different things. And in case you hadn't figured out, I'm trying to use all terms that are craft related. And please understand that each one of these terms that I'm teaching may not only have one meaning. For instance, drop, put down, let down, throw away, get rid of, drop a stitch. You see what I'm saying? So if you interpret it to mean something else that's even close, that's cool. That's absolutely cool. Okay, so we've done A, B, C, and D. Today, we're going to do the letter E. As I told you before, my thumb does not go all the way unless I press it. But it's just scrunching all those fingers up in there, just squishy face and scrunch. Okay, so one more time, the letter E. 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 Okay. Now our first word is easy. Working hand, resting hand. Easy. Notice the facial expression along with it. Easy. Okay? You're just brushing it off. Hey, easy. Okay? Next is edge. 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 You're going around the rim, the perimeter, the ledge, the outside, the border. See what I mean? So edge, edge. And as we know, in any of the crafts that we do that involve stitch work, each stitch matters. Each. You're kind of making the A's and you're just per, each and every, each. Just kind of, now don't beat your knuckles up. Just a slight little tap, each. Okay? Once again, those words in reverse. Each. Edge. Easy. Did you get that? I'll go through them again. Starting with the letter E. 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 Easy. 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 Each. 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 Edge. 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 Okay, I hope you got that. I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. I encourage you to please hit those like buttons on your way out. If you didn't hit them on your way in, share my videos. Encourage other people to come along and learn this beautiful language. And as always, please, I encourage you to leave comments below. Let me know what you think about the words that we've chosen. If you have some that you want to work out or that you want me to focus on for like the next letters or something, leave those suggestions down there as well. Like I said, I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. Any who want to come on board, you are welcome. You are welcome. Please know that this is a judgment-free zone. We do not harass each other. We don't talk bad to each other. If you would like to support my channel, you can always buy me a coffee. Other information is also available in the description box. Please know that I love you, but you have to love yourself. Self-love is the greatest love of all, and it's the most deserving. Please always remember, I love you.